Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we're making a simple and delicious pork stir fry. This one's quick, full of flavor, and uses ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's start by cutting and preparing all the veggies. Slice up 2 white button mushrooms, then 1/4 of an onion. Next, slice half of a bell pepper. I love adding color to my food, so I'm using both yellow and red today, but feel free to use whatever you like best. Now mince 3 cloves of garlic. And slice about 1/3 of a large carrot. For the ginger, we'll need about a tablespoon. The easiest way to peel it is by scraping it off with the spoon, then mincing it finely so there aren't any chunks in your stir fry. Alright, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of water. Give that a good stir until everything is smooth and the flour has dissolved. Now let's season the pork. I'm using about 1 pound of pork tenderloin that I've cut in half so it cooks faster. Tonight, I'm keeping it really simple, just salt and pepper. That's it for prep, so let's start cooking. Add about a tablespoon of oil to your pan and heat it up until it thins out a bit. Then place your pork in the pan. Cook it for about 3 minutes on each side to get some nice color. It won't be fully cooked yet, we'll finish it later. Once both sides are browned, remove the pork and add your onion and carrot to the same pan. Season lightly with salt and pepper. These take a little longer to cook, so saute them for about 4 minutes, stirring as you go. While they cook, scrape up any bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. That's all the flavor from the pork. Now slice your pork into smaller pieces and add it back to the pan. Let it cook for another 5 minutes until it's browned and cooked through. Next, add the onion and carrot back in, along with the rest of your veggies. Cook everything together for about 3 minutes, stirring often. Now add in the minced garlic and ginger and saute that for about 2 more minutes. This is where it starts to smell amazing. Add your pork back in, then pour in the sauce we made earlier. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and half a cup of milk. Keep stirring for another couple of minutes until everything is nicely coated and the sauce has thickened up a bit. And that's it. Your pork stir fry is ready. Serve it over rice or noodles and enjoy a quick homemade dinner that's full of flavor. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really appreciate you being here and spending a little time in the kitchen with me. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you next time.